Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be.
So things like this happen. And we're on set.
We will tell you about the time we take home a girl and she take off her wig and throw it on the couch. Take off her fast breast and throw it on the couch.
Fast breast?
Yeah, take out her fast body and throw it on
What?
the couch. Take off her fast eyelash and throw it on the couch. You jump on the bed and you jump on the couch because that's where all the good stuff was.
Wow. Never expect that. Let's say this name again. Lace front. I say it name?
Lace front.
Is edges, I say?
Edges, yeah.
Edges.
And it don't mean hedges like round a yard.
Sardine tin round there, you know. Full up. Watch out. What's
Where that going?
Yeah, man.
That's all around next.
We have 14 at sardine, man. Yeah, my side. We have to reach home.
A sardine with jalapeno or just regular.
You don't say I want with jalapeno.
Hot pepper.
Alright, so watch the unpacking. Watch the unpacking, you know.
You know, say everything in video, I in it.
The foot good? The foot alright? Eh? We don't know more.
Yeah, man. Maybe night this time, you know. Can we make sure get Avil the phone?
Sardine chick.
I said, oh, I can't tell you that. Anytime you come shoot, I'm not going to pick up. Try to get a drive here and I tell you, I left her.
And one thing, you know, them two are always at it. No, sir.
Drive and she tell me, say, she not trust me. You can't tell me that?
Yeah, I drive.
I mean, I drive up for the tour.
You're brave. You're lucky man never make a one swing and go so.
100 in a 70 zone.
You don't eat white cake?
White cake. Vanilla?
I mean,
Oh, I should have the other panda it. No, you may just change me.
banana.
It helps. You know, you're not encouraging at all. You see the good in front of you. Good comeback, Shells. Good comeback.
Them team up pie in a Trevor.
I got tucked in your belly. Water. No, less than you. God bless the juice of the I have not the two last workshop for me though. The men dance with no need race.
You not understand your
language.
The diet will never dip on me, you need her.
Sick overall.
We're talking. We're talking about that. People when they think Shanna there today, yeah? Yeah, I hide.
I say, if him never call my name, something wrong. She can't do nothing in peace when the two of them they same place, you know. Guys, we're gonna see if we can catch Trevor asleep. Shh. Look like him that time, you know, like him smell the rat.
If I see her at the door, I say, nah, I get catch that.
Every day for my people, them place asleep. You're not bed.
Then catch it. Then I say, my dad, my time them.
You're not bed.
I was my time them. Wait till they start shoot.
Because one of the time him wake and him say, I'll do them wake me, you know, I say, you're in a big ass snoring.
And when I get that,
Visit you lucky.
Like 2 seconds before no come in.
Sorry,
you
you're
turn.
never
Yo, I hear you at the door.
You see when you slide the door, after it, when I call him name outside not so long ago. When I say for ready to wake him up. Right, at them time they turn. Him ease up him head and turn.
Yo, say, the road here would have been the Lucy's road.
Public service announcement, people. Look how Trevor lock himself in the bathroom. What can go so? Guess what? The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.